I'm going to show you how you can turn on a phone that turns itself off and does not react on smart mobile phones. My phone is not turning on at all right now. You can try the methods I will show you without having to charge your phone above 50%, which shuts down out of the blue and does not turn on in any way despite pressing the power button. If your charge is below 50%, you should try the methods I will show you by plugging it into the charger first. First of all, we will wait for the phone to turn on by long pressing the power button for about 10 seconds. Yes, at the moment my phone does not turn on in any way, does not respond. Now I will show you the method to open it. To turn on the phone, you will have to press and hold the volume up and power button for about 10 seconds. Or you can hold it a little longer. Also, friends, on some phones, we may have to wait by pressing the volume up key and the power key or the volume down and power key at the same time. This setting can be different on each phone. On Xiaomi brand phones, I will press the volume up and power button at the same time and wait for the phone to turn on. Let's do it together. Yes, as you can see, the phone was unlocked with this method. The reason for this is that sometimes the phone protects itself, goes into sleep mode, and you could only wake the phone with this method I showed you. Yes, friends, since the touch does not work in this menu, you have to use the keys here. As you can see, when you press down, it moves like this. So we will come to this part, then we will press the power on the side and accept it and press the power button once again, and then we will wait for our phone to turn on. Yes, friends, if your phone does not have a mechanical problem, you can turn your phone back on with this method I mentioned to you, or I showed you this method. Yes, you can restart your phone with this method I showed you. Guys, I hope the video was helpful. Please like the video. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel for support.